Hello, my name is Ayan. I'm a student from Manipal University, SOEIT. This event which happened, which was related to the financial literacy, was really good. It was very helpful, and we gained a lot of knowledge how to handle our money and everything. Very much thank you for the Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this event. It was really helpful.
Hi, my name is Kareem, and I study here at Manipal University, Dubai. I'm pursuing a bachelor's degree in business administration. Today we had the opportunity to have KFI Global give us a workshop on financial literacy. It was very insightful. It gave us a lot of valuable information that we don't learn everywhere. So I'm very grateful for that. Thank you guys very much for being here. And I'd also like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for giving us the opportunity by sponsoring this. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great day.
Hi, I'm Austin and I'm doing my BCom ACCA here at Manipal, Dubai. I attended a session with KFI Global here today, and I found it really helpful because they taught me about how to manage my finances, but also how finances work around the world with banks and payments and everything. I'd also like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for this opportunity.
Hello, I'm Archana, and today I just attended the KFI Global session here at Manipal, Dubai. And I got to learn a lot more of how I can manage my money and not through the trial and error through adulting. So I really like that. And I would also like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this event. And I look forward to more sessions, especially for investing. So I'm really looking forward to that.